Hello everyone, in today's lesson we'll learn how to play the piano accompaniment of 10,000 Reasons. For reference, here's middle C. We'll be playing the song in the key of D major with two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. Here's the preview of the intro, which can also be used during the course. The blue fonts will be the left hand and the red font will be the right hand. We'll begin with the right hand. F sharp, A. We'll play D, F sharp, and B together, but we'll roll our fingers. Next we'll play B, A, and F sharp, followed by E, F sharp, E, D, and B. B, D, A, F sharp, D, and E. We'll try that again. F sharp, A, D, F sharp, and B, B, A, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, D, B, B, D, A, F sharp, D, and E. On the left hand, we'll play G, D, G for G major, D, A, D for D major, A, E, A for A major, and B, F sharp, B for B minor 7. G, D, G for G major again, D, A, D for D major, finally A, E, A for A major. Now let's play both hands together. We'll play that again. This part is optional, but we can add some more notes to make it sound nicer. After playing B, F sharp, and B on the left hand, we'll play C sharp, D, and A on the right. On the right hand, we'll play A and D, and A and C sharp. Now, for both hands, we'll play the first part of the intro together. Now for the second part of the intro, on the right, we'll have F sharp, A like we did before. Next we play B, A, and F sharp. D and B play together. E and C sharp play together. D and F sharp play together. Next we'll play D, E, F sharp, E, D, D. Then we'll play D and G, and D and F. D and G, and D and F. Now let's play that again. Now on the left hand, we'll play G major, D major, then we'll play G and D, A and E, B minor 7, G major, A major, then we'll play D, A, A for D sus4, D, A, A for D major. Now with both hands together, we'll play the second part of the intro. this is the preview for the verses sections. On the right hand, we'll play solid chords with G, B, and D for G major, A, D, and F sharp for D major, A, C sharp, E for A major, and A, D, F sharp for B minor 7, G major, D major, A major, B minor 7, G major, D major, A major, B minor 7, G major, D major, A major, D major, and we'll have A, D, and G for D sus4, D major. On the left, we'll just be playing our root notes, G for G major, D for D major, A for A major, B for B minor 7, G for G major, D for D major, A for A major, B for B minor 7, G for G major, D for D major, A for A major, B for B minor 7, G for G major, D for D major, A for A major, D for D major, D for D sus4, and D major. Now we'll play both hands together, G major, D major, A major, B minor 7, G major, D major, A major, B minor 7, G major, D major, A major, B minor 7, G major, D major, A major, D major, D sus4, and D major. For the chorus, you can play the intro, or you can play just solid chords like this: G major, D major, A major, B minor 7, G major, D major, A major, A sus4, A, G major, D major, A major, B minor 7, G major, A major, D major, D sus4. Now instead of ending the song in your basic D major chord, you could end the song this way. On the right hand, you could play B, E, F sharp, and B while you're playing the chords on the left hand. If anyone knows what this chord is, please let me know in the comments. Finally, you could end with the B major.